Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds. Happy plugs, joy! Firstly, you need to check if you have Bluetooth on. So open control panel, and if it's turned off, just turn on your Bluetooth. This earbud should reconnect to your phone automatically, but there's a problem with iOS, so after you turn on the Bluetooth, you need to reconnect it manually. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds here. You can try to do this the same on your Android, maybe it will help you. Next step is to perform a soft reset. You need to put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. Right here we have this information. After that, you just open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. Then you need to check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Open the lid. At the bottom, near to USB-C port, we have multifunctional button. You need to press and hold this button for at least 6 seconds until the LED light, until you will see a white LED light. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and start blinking. Amazing. After that, we need to reconnect them with the phone. So you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. If you have this button, because not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and we have connection. Now, if it also didn't help you, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your networks from your phone. And firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open settings, and we need to go to the general. So click at the general, scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click reset. In this window we need to select reset network settings. There is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click at this line, write your password, and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, system, and right here, at least on stock Android, at the bottom we have reset options. Tap at this line, and right here you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!